everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Sumantech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is assignment operator in Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is assignment operators. So the assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variables. Suppose the operators are as is equals to, another one is addition is equals to, next is subtraction is equals to, then multiplication is equals to, divide is equals to, and exponential is equals to. So this is the operators of the assignment operators. For an example, it can be used as x is equals to, and this is x is equals to plus x. Second one is s is equals to minus x, x is equals to multiply by x, and x is equals to divide by x, and the last one is x is equals to exponential x. So these are the examples. So now we'll use these examples to the variables. Suppose our first example is only the is equals to value. So it can be used as like x is equals to 5. This is the simplest operator, that is equals to only. In the next line we can put print the value of x. So in the output we can get the value that is 5. The value of x is 5. So this is the output for the first example. So the second operator is addition is equals to, example is like this. So we will solve this. First of all we will take a value that is 2. The second value is also 2. So now we'll put this into a variable. Suppose the variable name is x. So I am putting here print, that is the value of x. So now I have to put the example of the operator here. So I am putting here plus 2. So it is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So the printing value of x is 4. So this is the answer for the addition operator of the assignment operator. As on, we are using the third one, that is minus operator. So now we will change the value here of the operator, that is minus. So 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So the answer is 0 here. Next one is, next operator is multiplication, which is used as this. So we will change the operator here, that is a multiplication sign. Value of x to be printed. So 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So the answer here is 4. As on, the next one is division. So we will change the values of the operator, as here we will write the division sign. So 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. So the answer is, output is 1. So now the last one is, that is exponential, which is used as, first of all our first value is 2 and exponential is 2, that is 2 into 2. Suppose I am taking here 3. So here is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So the answer here is 8. So in this way we can use the assignment operators in the Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss here on the topic that is assignment operators in the Python programming language. So first of all we have taken the first input, that is x. The value of x is 2, and the second one is the x's value addition 2. So here is a miscalculation in the writing format, because the plus 2 operator should be written as before is equals to. So there is only the 2 printed here.
So now we'll write the correct formation, that is x is equals to 2 and x plus 2. So we'll write here x and then plus and then 2. Is equals to, and the answer, that is 2. So now we'll print these values, that is print the value of variable x. So the output is 4, that is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So this is the addition operator of the assignment operator. So the second one is x's value is 2 and the another x's value is also 2, that is minus 2 for the subtraction one. So we can see the answer here as print. So we'll write here print the value of x. So the answer is 0, as 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So the next one is x is equals to the value, that is 2 and the another x. We are using the operator, that is multiplication operator, is equals to then 2. So 2 into 2 is, that is the multiplication. So we'll now print the value of x, that is 4, that is 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. So as on, the another example is, first of all the x's value is 4 and this is division operator and the assignment operator. So we'll write here division, that is 2, print the value of x. So see the result, that is 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. The answer is 2. So the next one is the exponential part. So x's value is 2 and the second x value is 3. So now suppose we are writing here the x's value exponential and is equals to 3. So in the next line we'll do print the value of x and we'll see the result, that is 27. So 2 multiplied by into 3 times is 27. So in this way we can use the assignment operators in the Python programming language, as this is addition, this one is the subtraction one, and this one is the multiplication, this is division, and this is exponential form using the assignment operators.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.